In this video, I will show you how to make Pinterest account private. Open up Pinterest. Press on this little down arrow next to your profile picture and select Settings. Come over to the left and press on Profile Visibility. Come over to this tab, push on it. Then push, Not now. Then save. Let's do a check to see if our Pinterest account is private. I will copy my Pinterest account link and open my account in incognito mode. We have made our account private. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make Pinterest account private.